Hey guys, and today I've got something very exciting to show you. It is a fidget spinner, not any ordinary fidget spinner. But let me get the cover and I'll show you what's really cool about this fidget spinner. I'll just have to go. Hi guys, I'm back. Okay. So this fidget spinner lights up, and my brother's got a green one. I don't think he'll mind if I show you his green one version of this and his red one, because I'm so sorry about this. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back. So these, my brother's. So this one is the ordinary one. I don't know where my one has gone. My blue one of this. But yeah, this one just spins normally. And this one, I'll show you mine first so I can show you the lighting up. So, look at that guys. It's not that very good on me, but on camera that looks so good. See that guys? Woo! Okay, now I'll show you my brother's. My brother's is a bit less cool than mine because mine's white. I probably should have regretted that on if he watches this video. Woo! Because his shows the green, mine looks like. Woo! See that guys? Okay. So they're mine and my brother's fidget spinners. And I want to see what these look like together. Okay, so I just need to get... Okay, hold on guys. Okay, now I'll just get this one. Okay, nearly guys. Having some hard time guys. Quick, quick, quick! Okay. Woo! That probably doesn't look as cool on camera. Let's have that again. Woo! And once more. Woo! Okay, that was awesome to me. And yeah, as I said, Thomas's. Go check out his channel, Stampy Kit Kat, and that's his fidget spinner. The same one as this. You can get them from Asda in Willenhall. Wait, I think so. By the Royal Oak, where I go sometimes. But yeah, there. You probably don't know it. And if you're watching from another country, because I'm English, so if you're watching from like another country, I'm sorry. I don't know where to get these. So, see you later. See you later, sorry. Bye!